6 na tips na maaring makatulong sa pagbabawas ng inyong timbang. Unang-una, focus on portion control. Sometimes, it's not just about what you eat, but also about how much you eat. Maaring gumamit ng smaller plates or bowls upang ma-regulate ang portion ng pagkain. Try eating slowly and stop when you're about 80% full. This is also a practice known as hara hachibu in Japan. Pangalawa, stay hydrated. Minsan, ang thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Uminom ng 2 hanggang 3 litro ng tubig kada araw. Makakatulong ito for proper digestion at upang mabawasan ang cravings at snacking. Pangatlo, exercise. Hindi kailangang intense palagi ang exercise. Just keep moving. Do walking, dancing, yoga, stretching, o magbuhat ng mga weights. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, and then progress as you go along. Pang-apat, take care of your gut. Ang imbalance sa gut bacteria ay nakaka-increase ng cravings sa unhealthy foods, tulad na lamang ng high sugar at high cholesterol foods. Makakatulong ang probiotics for better digestive health. Alam nyo ba na natural source ng probiotics ang apple cider vinegar? However, kung hindi ka sanay sa maasim na lasa nito, may capsule form katulad ng Best Shape Apple Cider Vinegar. Ayon sa mga pag-aaral, ang ACV can also improve blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Panglima, sleep more and stress less. Ang poor sleep at chronic stress can interfere with your metabolism and hunger hormones, making it harder to lose weight. Siguraduhin that you get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per day. At pang-anim, be patient and stay consistent. Ang pagbabawas ng timbang would take time. Mag-focus on building healthy habits that you can maintain. And then celebrate small progress along the way. Okay? At kung ikaw ay may mga health concerns, siguraduhin kumonsulta sa inyong mga doktor para sa karampatang medical advice. Mag-ingat po kayo parati. I'm Dr. Lian. Follow for more health tips.